Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Angel. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you like the vibe, girl, go ahead and subscribe. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video. And if you're my day ones, my girls that's been rocking with me, girl, I appreciate you, okay? Because I know I'm stressful, but if you noticed, I'm 2 for 2, all right? So as you guys saw from the title, this video is going to be all things Hobonichi. I will be showing my 2026 planner lineup or ecosystem. And I was introduced to Hobonichi back in September by my mom, and I have been doing research ever since. So I'm so excited to finally share with you guys my planners that I will be using in 2026. If you're new to the Hobonichi world like I am, Hobonichi is a Japanese planner brand known for their Tomo River paper as well as their diversity in their planners. People use these planners for a plethora of things, from planning to journaling to memory keepsakes, whatever tickles your fancy, baby. They have a planner for you, I assure you, okay? In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 different planners that I feel suit my needs and my lifestyle, and I cannot wait to unbox and show you. So the first one in the lineup is going to be my Hobonichi Techo A6 planner. This is a very small, compact paperback planner. It comes with this specific kit that I got came with a cover or a case for the planner. I purchased this case because this will be the planner that travels with me daily, and I just love the fact that it is small and compact. You can just pop it in your purse if you like. The case is not necessary. I'm someone who was kind of rough on her planners. I'm coming from using the full size Happy planner, so this is definitely a transition for me, but I do love the fact that it is very compact. This one comes with, or the layout is you have a monthly page, a yearly page, and then you have a full daily page. So you can use it for journaling, to-do lists, anything you like. Like, I have seen this planner, all of them that I will show in this video, used in so many different ways. Like, that'll be another video. We'll get into it a little later when I do my setup. In this series, I will give you some different ideas on how to use these planners, because I honestly was so confused when I initially purchased my planner. And as I struggle to open up this planner comes in one color, which is this neutral yellow color. I was under the impression that it came in different colors, but it does not. But what it does have is different covers for each planner. Each planner also comes with a pamphlet, and the pamphlet gives you a little bit more history about the planner, shows you other planners that Hobonichi offers, as well as has a little bit of history and small activities for you to get started in your planner, which I thought was a very cute touch by this company. This activity specifically, when I saw it, y'all, I instantly thought savings challenge, like, to a T. I don't know, now I'm gonna be honest, I don't know about this big box, because that'll take me 4 years. But the smaller boxes will be a great savings challenge in my opinion. But you can use it, like I said, for whatever you want. Very diverse, which I love. So each planner you get comes with a pamphlet. If you go purchase from the Hobonichi line, you will receive a little small paperweight and a pen. Okay, now we're going to do a quick look into the planner. This is the calendar page, the yearly page, where you have the current year you're in, the year before, and the year after. And then we have the first version of the monthly view, or a quick look. And I've seen this used so many ways. In another video, we'll discuss how I use mine. And then you have your second monthly view. And this is where people typically put like their paydays, important appointments that are coming up, meetings, so on and so forth. And then this is the part that I really liked, the daily page, which is just a blank sheet for you to design however you like. And in the back, they have more activities, which we will get to in a later video. More than likely, it'll be my setup video, and I'll really do a deep dive into the planners. So yeah, that is my Hobonichi Techo A6, and I haven't even written it yet, but I love her. Okay, and now we're going to get into this gorgeous, gorgeous cover that I purchased. When looking for a kit, I was looking for specific things, and one of those things was a case that zip closed, because I don't know if it's just me, but y'all, stuff gets in my purse and gets lost. It's like a black hole. So I wanted something that could keep everything in one space, and this case did that for me. On top of the fact that I love the luxurious look as well as the neutral brown tone that it has, with a little bit of a burgundy hue to it, I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to just pop her in my bag, pull her out when I'm at a coffee shop, you know, doing my thing, jot down some notes, and carry on. Like, I think she is so, so pretty. Oh my goodness. So excited. But the details of this case are phenomenal. Like I said, I love the fact that it zip closed. In my setup video, I have different charms and things that I'll put on this planner, so stay tuned for that. I also like the fact that inside of the case, they have so many different pockets and compartments for you to house credit cards, IDs, stationery, sticky notes, receipts. Like, I have so many ways that I am thinking of, and I cannot wait to show you guys how it all comes together. But I've seen people use this case in so many ways. The most common way that I've noticed is people use it as a wallet. So it's like a catch-all case. They can use it, their planners there, they put their cash there, especially if you do cash envelopes. It's a great tool for that as well. This pocket in the back, you can utilize that for so many things. I more than likely am going to stash my receipts back there. So I love the detail that they put into this planner, as well as the ribbons to hold your place in your planner. So 10 out of 10, Hobonichi. You did your big one with this. So yep, that is my daily personal planner that will travel with me everywhere. And I also will be putting another planner in there, and you guys will see that shortly in this video. So yep, she's just so cute. I'm so excited to use her. I feel like I should like come up with a name for my planners. I don't know. I'm still thinking on it. Okay guys, so the next planner in this lineup is going to be, drum roll please. No, I'm kidding. It's going to be my Hobonichi Techo Weeks planner. She is absolutely gorgeous. She went with the color scheme that I was going with for 2026, as well as, I believe 2026 is the year of the horse, so I could not leave her in the store, obviously. I do like the fact that this is a hard cover versus the last one, which was a soft cover. And this planner actually comes in a variety of different colors and patterns. I believe it also comes in a soft version too, as well as a Weeks Mega. I didn't get the Weeks Mega just because this is my first year having the Weeks planner, so I wanted to get adjusted and acclimated to this one first, but that is an option if you are interested. It does differ from the A6 in small ways. There are some things that are the same, and then there are things that are different. Obviously, that's what makes a planner a planner. This one I would definitely recommend for someone who is new into the planner world altogether. It's compact. You can grab it and go, and it doesn't give too much. So once we open it up, you have your pamphlet, so you have more activities, and it'll give you a little bit more information about this planner, as well as it has the same views as the A6. So you have your yearly overview, the current year, year before, year after, and then you have your first part, monthly view, and this is where I'll be keeping all of I'll be using this as a spending tracker. And then you have your second part of your monthly view, and this is where you put like bank statements. Well, for me, it'll be like when bank statement starts, bills, paydays, so on and so forth. And this is where it's different from the A6. You have your weeks on one side, and then you have a blank page on the other for you to put to-do list, whatever you want. So I think this is great for someone who is starting out in the planner world. It's not too much, but it's just enough, you know? So I thought this planner would be great in my ecosystem, and this planner will also be going into the case that I showed you guys in the previous clips. Like the A6, this also has activities in the back. I just love that they added that touch. This planner also comes with like a adhesive folder. I guess you could put that in the back of your planner and use it to house different things. I didn't see that in the A6, but maybe it comes with the planners that have a hard cover. But yeah, so that is my Hobonichi Weeks planner. Okay guys, we are down to the last planner in this ecosystem, and that is the Hobonichi Han planner. Now, I really don't have too much that I need to discuss about this planner when it comes to the layout, but what I will say is that it is exactly the same layout as the A6. The difference is that it's A5 size, and it has a planner called the Hobonichi Cousin that is exactly like this one. The difference is that I got the hardcover versus the Cousin, which is soft cover, as well as the A6. I got the same pattern as my Weeks planner, obviously, because why not? The texture is just as good as the Weeks. And another thing that this came with is a pencil board, which I was so excited about because, y'all, these pencil boards are not cheap. And I love the fact that it came with a pen holder. Unlike the other two planners that I showed in this video, they did not have that. But it's okay because they have a case cover. This one does have a cover that you can put on top of this, and it's called a cover on cover case. You'll see that in a later video, but absolutely gorgeous. I love that it's a larger size, as well as it has a placeholder. I love that too because it doesn't have a cover. They did make sure that they did all the things. Like, I just love it. I cannot wait to get into this planner, but it's not really much that is different from the A6, so I'll just let you guys check it out. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. This is my Hobonichi 2026 planner lineup / ecosystem. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as I can with an answer, okay? Like I said, I am new to the Hobonichi world, so talk to me nice. But I am super excited for 2026. I am ready to get into this planner. I do have another planner that I have in my ecosystem. It just was not a Hobonichi planner, so I didn't discuss it in this video. But I can tell you what planner it is. It is the Cloth and Paper 2026 planner. And stay tuned for that unboxing. It is coming soon. So if you're interested in those planners as well, I got a video coming for you. But yeah, so that is part 1 of this series. I hope to see you in part 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, I'm excited. So that's it, y'all. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and tell everyone you know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.